Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Coshocton County and east central Ohio, northwestern Quincy County and east central Ohio, northeastern Muskingum County and east central Ohio until 5:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Conesville and was moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Coshocton, Conesville, Ferncliff, Plainfield, Otsego, Bowdoin, Campbellton. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. This storm also is producing torrential rain. Poor drainage areas may flood quickly. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.